Hello, curious minds. Imagine you're standing in a vast, silent universe. Countless stars, billions of planets, and yet, no signs of intelligent life. Why is that? Is Earth the exception, or are we just too early, or too late? Today, we're diving into an interesting idea called the Great Filter, and it might just change how you see humanity's place in the cosmos. To understand why the universe seems so empty, scientists have proposed this theory. The Great Filter is a kind of cosmic barrier, an invisible challenge or set of challenges that stops most civilizations from advancing to the point where they can explore or communicate across the galaxy. Think of it as a checkpoint that few, if any, life forms ever pass. If this theory is right, then the reason we don't see or hear from other civilizations could be because they didn't make it past this filter. Either they couldn't survive the jump to advanced life, or maybe there's something out there that we don't yet understand waiting for us in the future. But the big question is, has humanity already made it past the Great Filter? Or is our biggest challenge still ahead? The Great Filter theory begins with a huge mystery, the Fermi Paradox. Named after physicist Enrico Fermi, it asks a simple question: where is everybody? Think about it. Our galaxy alone has billions of stars, many with planets in the habitable zone where life could thrive. With so many chances for intelligent life, we should be detecting signals, seeing signs, or even meeting other civilizations. But there's nothing. Just silence. So why haven't we found any alien life yet? Scientists have suggested lots of explanations. Maybe life is extremely rare, maybe intelligent civilizations destroy themselves before they can communicate, or maybe they're just not interested in us. But whatever the answer, the Fermi Paradox raises an unsettling question. Could there be something stopping intelligent life from surviving or advancing? And that's where the Great Filter comes in. If the Great Filter really exists, then where could it be? To answer that, let's think about the steps life has to go through to reach a civilization like ours, and where each step could hit an impossible barrier. One possibility is that the filter occurs right at the beginning. Maybe the leap from simple chemistry to complex biology, like creating the first single-celled organisms, is incredibly rare. Life itself might be a cosmic fluke. Another idea suggests that if simple life isn't so rare, then maybe the next filter comes when it tries to evolve into something more complex, like plants, animals, and eventually, intelligent beings. Earth took billions of years to go from microbes to humans. Maybe it's a step most planets never make. Another possible filter is the leap to advanced technological civilizations. Even if intelligent life does evolve, there's no guarantee it will invent complex tools, cities, or develop the kind of technology that lets us explore space or send signals. And then, there's the most unsettling possibility. The Great Filter could lie in our future. Maybe advanced civilizations almost always self-destruct, due to things like nuclear war, environmental collapse, or uncontrolled AI. If so, then humanity hasn't passed the Great Filter yet, and our biggest challenges are still to come. So whether it's at the very beginning or at the heights of technological power, the Great Filter could be anywhere along the path. And if we understand where it is, we might have a better chance at avoiding it. So what does the Great Filter mean for us? If it's behind us, we might be one of the rare civilizations that's made it this far, and that gives humanity a unique responsibility. We could be one of the only, or the only, intelligent species in the galaxy with the power to shape the future. But if the Great Filter is still ahead of us, then understanding these risks isn't just interesting, it's essential. It could mean that our survival depends on how we handle the challenges of advanced technology, our environment, and our place in the cosmos. Whether we're rare survivors or future explorers, our role could be to push past the boundaries that have stopped other civilizations. Maybe we're here to learn how to avoid self-destruction, build sustainable ways of life, and even one day explore and preserve the galaxy. The Great Filter reminds us that the stakes are high. And if we're aware of the risks and act with purpose, humanity could have a chance to play a remarkable role in the universe. So, will we be one of the few civilizations to make it through? That's a question only we can answer. So what do you think? Is the Great Filter behind us, or are we yet to face the biggest challenge of our existence? Could humanity be one of the few intelligent civilizations to make it this far, or are we at risk of facing our own extinction? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a cosmic discovery. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep looking up.